Welcome, friends. Today we're doing a short but powerful power and balance yoga flow to help you build strength, stability, and calm energy. This routine is perfect for beginners and anyone wanting a quick full body stretch. So find a comfortable place, take a deep breath, and settle into the moment. Feel your body grounding beneath you as we gently warm up the spine, connect to the breath, and prepare for safe and steady movement. Let this practice be your break from stress, your space to reset, and your time to reconnect with your body. Start in a simple seated pose and bring your palms together at your heart. Breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly, and soften your shoulders. When you're ready, move on to hands and knees and glide into a few rounds of cat and cow. Let your spine wake up and let your breath guide each movement. Shift your hips back into a gentle stretch, walk your hands to each side, and feel the length in your ribs and waist. Come back to center, lift into a strong plank, and warm your core as you press through your palms. Slowly lift your hips into downward dog, bend your knees, and let your heels relax toward the ground. Walk to the top of the mat and rise slowly into mountain pose. Take a deep breath as you stand tall and strong. Reach your arms up and fold forward with soft knees. Step into a lunge and rise into Warrior Two, feeling your legs working to hold you steady. Lift your chest and stretch your arms as you breathe. Return to your lunge, step forward, and shift into a simple balance pose by lifting one knee or extending one leg behind you. Move slowly, focusing on control rather than speed. Repeat on the other side, allowing your core and breath to support your balance. Lower down to the mat and lie on your back. Bring your hands beside you or under your hips for support. Lift one leg at a time with slow, strong movements, or try lifting both legs together if it feels comfortable. Keep your core engaged and breathe steadily. After a few lifts, pull both knees into your chest and relax your lower back. Move into a gentle twist on each side, letting your body soften and unwind. Release tension from your shoulders, ribs, and hips as your breath deepens. Stretch your entire body long, then let your arms rest by your sides for a short moment of stillness. Feel your heartbeat slowing down and your breath becoming calm and steady. When you're ready, return to a seated position and bring your hands to your heart. Take one final deep breath in and let it out slowly. Thank yourself for showing up and taking care of your body. If you enjoyed this power and balance yoga session, remember to like, subscribe, and join me for more simple, peaceful, and energizing flows. Until next time, take care and